Hey everybody, this is Joshua, CEO of SEODesignLab, and today, guys, I want to show you how you can utilize AI for your job outreach on Upwork. So traditionally, we would have to come to Upwork. We do this about an hour every single morning, and we scroll through looking at the time that these jobs were posted, what are these jobs, how many people have applied to the jobs, things like that. Looking through this all manually and then deciding if we want to actually apply for the job and go through this. We have to fill out this information by hand, fill out the cover letter. You get the idea. So it's kind of time consuming at scale. As a business owner, one of the main things you can focus on for leverage for your day is just literally lead generation. Because if you can solve getting new business in, then all of your other problems within your business basically don't even exist because you're continuously adding new customers and new lead prospects to your channels, right? To your business. So what we've done actually is been able to scrape this automatically using make tools and basically take this information and put it over here on a Google Sheet. So this is one of my most recent scans that we've done. And let me just delete this row right here. And we can quickly look at tons of information. We can see the payment types of these jobs. We can see the duration of these jobs, what are experiences related to this job, what is the salary. So, what's the rates for these particular jobs immediately without doing any of this type of scrolling. I was able to immediately see this right here, and this could be very lucrative for my business. And what's cool is it also gives us a score. So I have a lot of criteria I built into this system, and it's not fully automatic, but it basically is fully automatic. Okay. So it scores my leads for me. It also creates the messages for me, which is pretty cool. So I have full messages ready to go. I can just copy and paste. Literally, let's just say this one, and we come over to apply. I'm just going to literally pick a random one here, just so I can paste my application. Okay, yep, I got to get credits. I understand. So this one's obviously poor example, but all right, let's try this one. A little bit better. So I'm going to say something like, "Hi, I'm confident in my ability, blah, 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 blah. Da, da, da. Here's my portfolio." I can start immediately. Now, obviously, you can fancy this message up, build it out a little bit where each message has a little bit more meats and potatoes. But in this example here for this video, I mean, literally this was done automatically, and you can tell it's actually on point to what the customer was potentially looking for. I just randomly picked this job listing, but essentially, right here, WordPress, SEO, get the idea. So the way this looks is we're using a tool called Appify. Now under Appify, we can go to Appify store, we can type in Upwork, and you want to use this one, Upwork Job Scrapers. And basically for $4, you can get up to 1,000 scrapes. I think now it's like $25 a month and you get X amount of scrapes. I don't know how that works. But let's say we put our target keyword into here. You can also put your max results. You can click JSON, and now you have a JSON format. So what we've done is we built this make automation. Now, essentially, it does the Appify automation for us, and it breaks down the jobs, the 20 scrapes like this into small bundles. So I can close this one, 5. So you see, I got 20 job listings right here. I can easily click on and say this one was 13 hours ago for a Shopify expert. I can see, obviously, it's a little sooner the higher you go. So 40 minutes ago, Google Business Profile Manager, ongoing weekly support, hourly. So I scrape this, and what I do is I download the output bundles like this. So now I have it in a JSON format. I can come over to ChatGPT and paste it. So I can actually paste this code, and then ChatGPT will lay out my template for me like this. And all I have to do literally is just scroll over this and hit copy and hit paste. Okay, literally that easy. See, And delete that. I was one over, but you get the idea. So super, super handy here, literally done in minutes. And then once you have it laid out into here, you can just click on the job application and this will literally load right to that job. Pretty insane, right? And then I can literally just click apply and apply for these jobs based off the score and whatever else criteria I'm looking for. Our our make automation is supposed to basically do our ChatGPT part for us and then upload it to a Google Sheet. But we are having some type of issues right here for whatever reason. We keep getting a 403 forbidden through our HTTP request because essentially this tool is unable to read these job listings by the URLs. So we kind of had to do that through basically pasting it at the moment. So this works out really, very well for us. So if you find this cool, find this useful, if you want some more information how we can help you set this up, please comment yes below. We can actually help you set this up for totally free. So that way you can start developing more leads for your own business really, really quickly. And if you want, we have a booking calendar as well. So you can schedule a free 15-minute to 30-minute consultation. All that is really good to help you out. And that's what we are here for. Okay, take care.